So you guys, this is the end result. This is how it looks like, guys. And welcome to another Caddy Family. So you guys, today we're going to be making some potatoes mixed with some hot dog and some cheese. And this, guys, this is a very good breakfast you can make for breakfast or for dinner. So you guys, this is my potatoes and my carrots has been boiled already, and also put in some salt and some unsalted butter. So let's start matching. But the first thing, I'm going to put inside my potatoes.
Start match. That's me first.
No. Now I'm going to put inside my carrots.
No, first is your cheese. Yeah. What's up? Match to match.
And now I'm going to be putting inside some of my spices. See, we're not putting it. Let's start mashing, guys. So you guys, I'm going to give it to my sister and my brother while I'm shredding my cheese.
No, you first.
Give me cheese.
So you guys, now I'm going to put my butter inside.
So you guys, now I'm going to be shredding my cheese.
Me too. I think it's going to be water. I think I'll be water. I thought it was the mashed rice. Take us. Matete, gavan, matetes, bacon, cigarettes, matetes, the goving. The matetes from the. After that, it goes.
And you guys, please subscribe to our channel.
Is it mate now?
Okay, you turn it, I'll push it. So you guys, I'm gonna go help my sister.
Okay.
Excuse me. Okay, I'm gonna put it like this. I'm gonna put a little bit of black pepper. That's enough. Now I'm gonna be putting inside some paprika.
Cheese. Two.
Now I'm going to be mixing it all together. So you guys, now I'm going to make my onions and my garlic. So the first thing first, I'm going to be putting inside my garlic.
I think I'll be mutton. I think I'll be mutton this one. I think I'll be mutton. This one.
Now I'm going to be putting inside my onions.
Put it now. Mix. I will mix it now. It's mutton. Put it in mutton. So it's going to give me turn. This look, I'll give me turn. I'll give me turn this one.
Now my brother's going to be putting some garlic.
Some garlic. More garlic. Eat it. How to eat it?
I'm putting the leftovers.
It's going to be easy.
So you guys, now we're going to serve. So you guys, I'm going to be putting in a little bit of sesame oil. Now I'm going to mix everything together.
Dip it. This is my baby box.
So you guys, I want to leave it to be there until it's ready, and I'm going to come back to it.
You go. You know how to go. You know how to go. You know to go. guys, now let's put it with onions with some garlic. Pot in the now we're gonna put our cheese.
So you guys, now we're gonna be putting inside our cheese.
This is me. Hey, yeah. Let it mix with the hot. No, mister. I got a little bit.
I'm gonna put this in.
Put it. So,
I got my mixture.
it's not actually, give me a 10 in a mix.
No, it's after.
No, actually, it's me. You sure don't give me a 10? Actually, this is my favorite food for this.
It's in the scotch then.
I'll just put paprika.
I'm not putting paprika, Shane.
Why?
I'm not putting anything. We already put paprika.
Can we put bananas?
No.
Why? Not now.
No, okay?
I will put the bananas.
I'm gonna be putting a little bit of salt and a little bit of parsley. No, not now.
I think I'll be mutton. The mutton.
And I'm gonna be putting some parsley. Guys.
No, it's mutton first. This is the That's how we do it. Let's do it.
Okay, seriously.
Do it now. Yes. If I say,
Okay.
let's mix.
No, not now.
No, let's put our salt.
No, we already put in our salt.
Let's mix it.
We never did. Now I'm gonna mix it up, guys.
Me.
Let me go first. I'm the eldest.
We're gonna mix all this. So we're gonna mix all this. Sorry guys, it has been washed. Now we're gonna put our baked potatoes. We're gonna put it inside the hot dogs. Now let's do it. Okay, I have one.
Two.
No, not yet. It's not the time. Oh.
Okay, this is small. This is big. I just need this at this. I feel like I'm doing it. I just need to cut my hot dog.
Hold on, no.
Hey, where's my other dog? Where's my other dog?
It must is ready.
Hey, that is not.
Yes, it is.
No, that's. I can see your hot dog. You see my.
Sometimes we make mask.
All of them. Not.
Let me do this.
This is like a mashed potato.
Don't know mashed potato. This is a hummy.
It's
The hummy.
my hot dog is. Hey, where's my other dog? So you guys, this is how it looks like.
And
Now we're gonna make our cotton.
let's make
So the first thing we're gonna crack our egg. Shane, stop hitting me. But I'm doing the other egg. We're not cooking it.
No, it's mix. No, not mix.
Sky's gonna mix.
Don't you need to put this?
No, Sky, put all of it, okay?
Oh? So you guys, I'm going to put my broccos in my bowl. Done. It's easy. Then keep one thing on the side.
Gotta do all of that. Put all of it in.
Okay. Look. That's enough.
So you guys, now let's go to the fire. Sky, put that in the trash.
I'm not eating fire.
So you guys, now let's go to the fire. So you guys, now I'm gonna put inside my oil.
Oil. Put it.
So I'm gonna put it.
Put it.
That's enough. Hey guys, I'm gonna let the oil get hot and then I'm gonna come back to the oil and put everything. Right now we're gonna go make our sauce.
Then make a sauce. It's not to make a sauce. Look, make a sauce. I put the sauce.
So hey guys, now let's make our sauce. So here I have my mayonnaise and I'm gonna be putting it.
I have to put it.
So you guys, the oil is ready and now I'm gonna go ahead and fry. So the first thing first, I take my own.
Oh.
I put it inside it.
Now it's my turn.
Now I put it inside my breadcrumbs. Okay, it's ready to fry, guys.
It's my
I'll
turn.
be putting it on this.
It's my turn now. It's my turn.
Now it's time for my second one. Then take my second one. Mix it up. Now put it inside my breadcrumbs.
Yours is good, it's not. Yours is good. It's my turn now. It's my turn. It's my turn. It's my turn.
It's gonna be my brother's turn. Then you only have one with you. No, beside mine.
No, I won't put it right here. It's all yours. It's the right turn. First, put it in here.
You already put two of them.
I'll go hold it. I'm going to hold it. I'll be.
Sorry. Sky, go in the room. Sky, you go in the front room. Be careful with that spoon.
Put it outside. It's enough. Put it outside.
Once Sky is done, give it to me, okay?
Put it inside. Put it inside. Now we're going to put it in our thing. Putty. Everything is cooking.
So you guys, I'm going to let it be there for 5 minutes on both sides. Shay, you're spooning Sky Rush.
Mine?
Let me see. He spoiled yours. That's going to be his now. You see? So you guys, this is the results. This how it looks like, guys. I'm going to pray and eat. Who wants to pray today?
Me.
Okay, Shane, you're going to pray.
Amen.
Amen.
Some food. That's a half. Amen. Amen. Bless as a me, a baby. Yes. Amen.
Amen.
Yes.
Now I'm going to eat. So I'm going to cut it in half.
Now we can eat.
Not now, Shane, not now.
Now we can eat now. Now we can eat. Now we
Okay,
can
I'll
eat.
let us cut it now.
Now
I'm eating.
I'm eating this one. Mommy.
Here's nice. I'm going to also dip it inside the sauce.
You have to close it.
Very cheesy.
Good, easy. I'm cutting it. And second one, eating cutting.
Want me to do this with us, Samantha?
I'm eating this one.
This with us, Samantha. So, love you guys. Look at the last half of our channel. This with us, Samantha.
You made it today.
You guys, it's so good. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're so grateful. And yeah, guys, peace. This is so good. This is very juicy. This is so good. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So yummy and delicious. It's cheesy and it has a hot dog.
Your turn.
This is a very easy recipe you can make.
It was
So good, guys. That's so good. The sauce is so good.
and then leaving.
Now I'm leaving. I'm eating my food.